Hey guys, this is Nana here, and we're gonna make a let's play video, a review video. I mean, for the amazing weapon, the chainsaw. So let's get into it. So I really want to reveal this weapon, so let's go review the chainsaw. Okay. What happened? Can you see what it is? Do Uzi come there right?
You know the oven, the small one outside is not working?
Actually, I never seen it.
It's been like that for like the past week and I keep forgetting the time.
Yeah, but try not to touch it. Leave
Next party.
leave it like that. Something wrong with it.
Let's go. Also, that's done. Dead heat. Oh, not good. Maybe. This is an annoying gun too. I didn't get a kill. I'm gonna bring this whole house. This is so bad. This is like a minigun video. I know! Oh my god. Okay, I think I got a single kill. Yeah, I got one kill. This is good. Oh my gosh. Let's do this! One more match. This is the last match. What? Here. Oh no.